We have some breaking cruise news for you this morning, and it is an ongoing story from the Carnival Miracle. Unfortunately, a passenger has gone overboard, and we'll get into it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So this is not going to be a happy video. This is definitely not good news. This is a very sad story. So the Carnival Miracle departed Long Beach, California on December the 9th, while approximately 35 miles off of the coast of Ensenada down near Mexico. Around 3 a.m. in the morning, security footage on the ship shows a young woman approximately in her 20s falling from the balcony into the Pacific Ocean. Now, the Carnival Miracle, of course, immediately came to a stop, put lifeboats in the water, began searching. The Mexican Navy and the U.S. Coast Guard are also participating in the ongoing search. Approximately 90 minutes into the search, the Carnival Miracle was released and she continued on with her sailing, arriving in Ensenada, and then once done, will be returning back to Long Beach, California. Now, as of the time of this reporting and from what we found, the search is still ongoing for the young lady. The Coast Guard and the Mexican Navy are continuing with that, but at this point, she has not been located, and no other information about her, why she fell overboard, anything involved in that has been released, of course, more than likely to protect any family members, and they may just not know enough yet to release that information. So that search does continue. It is ongoing. Our thoughts, our prayers go out to her friends, her family members that were with her aboard the ship, and of course back at home. Of course, as any new information or facts come out on this story, we will of course let everybody know. At this point in time, I just ask that everybody pray that they are able to locate her. Hopefully she's going to be okay, and send positive thoughts and prayers out to her family. And like I said, as soon as we learn anything else new, we'll immediately let you guys know.